everybody, this is Pramod Jaiswal. Today I am going to teach you error finding concerning to infinitive participle and gerund. Let's not waste time and let's get moving. Now first question, this is part 1. Do you mind help me to do the task? Help me do the task. You see, do you mind help me do the task? Here, you see, do you mind, with mind is such a word. The question is, do you mind do the task? Here it would be not to do, it is do the task. Mind, with mind, it takes gerund. There are specific words with which is followed by gerund. The mind is also one of the words. Mind should be followed by not help, rather helping. Would you mind helping me do the task? Would you mind help? Help takes bare infinitive, that's why it is do. So it is also correct. And here with do you mind, mind is followed by helping. Okay, so the mistake is number 2. So number 2 will be your answer, number 2. Now next question. Coaches have the advantage. Coaches have the advantage of draw on their personal experiences. Now this is correct. And providing their players, this is also correct, with unique inputs, this is also correct. So what we see, there's something wrong with there is, first one is correct, something mistake in the second part. You see, what is a gerund? Coaches have the advantage of what? You ask the question of what, that means this is preposition and this will be object of preposition, that will be gerund, so it should be drawing. So the mistake is in the second part, advantage of drawing on their personal experiences. And now you see, when there is and, there are similar structure in the first part of the sentence and in the second part of the sentence. What is the similarity? Parallelism is providing and drawing. So these two things are parallel joined by and. In that case also, if there is providing here continuous tense, that is this is also gerund. So this should also be a gerund because this is object of the preposition of. I hope I am clear. Now let's take the third question. We have some space for explanation so that let's take a third question. Having worked in both public and private sector, banks, Mr. Rao is the ideal choice to take over as chairman. Now you see, having worked in both public and private sector, this is portion is correct. Mr. Rao is the ideal choice, this is also correct. To take over as chairman, this is also correct. So something wrong in the first part. You see, having worked, this is no tense. This concerns participle, means there are two parts of sentence. One is he has worked in public and both in public and private sector banks. Then the second part of the sentence is Mr. Rao is the ideal choice because he has worked in both the sectors, public and sector, that's why private sector, that's why Mr. Rao. So this should be having worked. This should be worked. That is perfect participle. As I have told you, when one action is over and the second one is started, then after, we use perfect participle. The construction is having plus V3 form of verb. Having plus V3 form of verb. One action has ended, then it was decided that he should take over as a chairman. So let's take another one. My teacher did not object to me using the calculator. Now you see, did not object to me. Very peculiar, something wrong with this section. Did not object to me. Objected me. But that is not the case. The case is something else. Did not, my teacher did not object to. If we understand it like this, object to what? You get a question. So that means using is gerund, because this acts object to the preposition. Object to preposition. Preposition is to. That's why using is correct. That's why using is correct. But there is another question. Using is correct, but the pronoun me, me, this is incorrect. You see, it should be my using. Why? When gerund is preceded by a possessive pronoun. This is possessive pronoun. जब gerund के पहले कोई noun या pronoun possession show करे, that means it is a possessive pronoun. A noun or pronoun, so it should be in the possessive form. It should be in the possessive form, so the answer would be my and not me. So the question is, my teacher did not object to my using. It should be my using. So answer number 2 is incorrect. So I hope these are the tough questions of even the competitive examinations. So take care. Those students who are keenly interested in mains and SSC and a lot of competitive examination and also in transformation of sentences. And the main thing, your literature improvises. Now next question. My wife, having finished her work, rushed to meet me. Now my wife, first she finished her work, then she rushed to me at the event. Now this part should be having finished. This one is okay. So this is having plus V3 form of verb. So this is incorrect. It should be having finished. So this is the mistake in the first part. My wife having finished, having plus V3 form of verb. So this one, the mistake is in the first section. Now let's take next question. A fox watched a wild boar was sharpened. You see, something wrong here. Was sharpened his tusk on the tree trunk of a huge tree. This one is also correct. This one is also correct. My fox watched a wild boar. You see, this word is incorrect. It should be my watched a wild boar sharpening. SARPENING. This is present participle. Means both the action, a fox watching and the boar sharpening, both the actions are taking place at the same time. So in that case, we use present participle. It shouldn't be was sharpened, but rather it should be a wild boar sharpening his tusk. So next, let's see. Being a pleasant morning, I decided to go out for a walk. Now, as I have already told it, this is being is present participle. Now, I decided, here I is the subject. So that means I was a pleasant morning. This is incorrect. Present participle, both the subjects should be the same. So how can it be I being a pleasant, I was a pleasant morning? No, it refers to the pleasant morning. The morning was pleasant. So that's why parallel structure won't be allowed. So it should be it being. It being a pleasant morning. Then I decided. Means both the subjects are different in this case. It being. So the answer is it being a pleasant morning, I decided to go out for a walk. Now next question, last question. You had better work harder if you want to go get a promotion. Now had better, I have told you that this is the word, this takes bare infinitive. This takes bare infinitive, that means without to. So here there is no to, this is correct, but here it takes the first form V1. So work is wrong, it should be work. You had better work harder. The answer is, the mistake is in the first part. So you had better work. So we had a good session of finding the errors concerning participle gerund and to infinitive as well as bare. So you must have been benefited, and if you like the video and got a lesson, you please press the logo of like, share among your friends, and please subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.